We don't have any bags to check in, so we have to get our boarding passes. So this is the airport. Waiting to get the boarding passes. I can't do it automatically because they need to verify our visa status. So I'm waiting on that. Just got our boarding passes and they asked us to go upstairs where the security counter is. So our gate number is 11. This seems like private jets. So we are going towards the gate. I love this city and the airport, having a lot of stuff inside. Now I think while going back, I can explore the entire terminal. Airport is very interesting. They have brands from US. They have some local brands. There are bars. So it reminds me of Pune or Indore airport. Now I'm heading towards the security counters. I won't be able to film there, but I will resume as soon as I am done with our flight. San Francisco, UL, this is other. So there are so many airlines actually that have a direct flight to Puerto Vallarta. Finish the security clearance and now I'm into the duty free. So as usual, the duty free has the liquor and fragrances, smoke. This seems like a dining area. They have Subway, they have drinks and lot of stores related to Mexico. It's a El Market. There are so many souvenir shops and you feel like already in the market. It doesn't feel like the airport terminal. I wanted to buy some shirts like this. You see all big fours and then Viva, Volaris. Even though the airport is actually a small one, the flight connectivity is actually good. The one which I am taking right now from Puerto Vallarta to San Francisco, that flight is coming from Chicago. So there is a direct connection from Chicago to Puerto Vallarta. So we were in one duty-free section. Now it seems like there is another duty-free section. So let's see what this section has. I think it's pretty similar. What I like about this airport is even on the gates, they have ample enough of restaurants, coffee shops, bar and other souvenir shops. So you won't feel like you're actually on the gate. Finally, I'm on our gate 11. To find something to eat because we still have 1 hour left. It looks like a mall and I don't see a space to sit. Port is small and it seems like people are going back home. This is the only option I found for veggie food, which is pizza. The thing is sure guys, like you have to know Spanish. This is Puerto Vallarta. It's a tourist place. That's why a lot of people know or somehow conversate in English. But if you are going to Mexico City or somewhere core in the city, you probably will need to know Spanish, at least the basic one. Our boarding is starting in like 2 minutes. This is our flight, Airbus A320. Going inside the aircraft now. The Airbus A320. These are the business seats. These are the premium economy with the leg space. I have taken the back seats so that there won't be much of a crowd. So we are at 30. The same aircraft, same leg space. I can takeoff time is 2:55 p.m. We'll probably have a good sleep within this flight. It's pretty much same as my first flight from San Francisco to Puerto Vallarta. You can find the link here or in the description to see what are the in-flight entertainment and food options and what are the things that they provide if you are traveling with the kids.
today will be 3 hours and 22 minutes. Thank you, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us this afternoon. Our entire night team is here to make sure you have a great flight. Safety is our top priority, so please take a minute to pay attention to the following safety demo, even if you are a frequent flyer.
An hour in the sky, now they have started serving the refreshment, and they have quite a few things, regular usual things. Snacks, which is a cookie. Cookies. So I got one light beer.
Check your seatbelt pockets.
Getting down from the aircraft after every passenger has left. It was an amazing journey with United. I hope to fly again soon.